So let me inform you that our first chapter of supplementary is the third level. Here you have given the chapter third level. This is a mock serious story. What does it mean? Mock means it's just like a comedy, and serious means whereas on the other side it is also serious too, जिसमें हमें seriousness भी दिखती है और some comedy parts even we can feel in this chapter. So it is a mock serious story written by or given by Jack Finney, जो हमें दी है Jack Finney. So let me inform you that here we are having the three main characters in this chapter. The first character here we are having is Charlie, who was a person working in the office regular basis, normal person he is. Second person is Lucia, his wife. And the third person, Charlie's friend, who was psychiatrist, and the name is Sam. The whole story is covered in between three persons, and the most important, I can say that the character is Charlie and Sam. So here story started by the main character Charlie, who was working in his office, but just because of workload he was just being tired, and somewhere he has having the idea of, or he has having the thinking of his wife Lucia. काम करते वक्त काफी थकान महसूस होती है, and at that time he was just remembering his wife Lucia. So finally he wanted to be with his wife. अब वो उनके पास जाना चाहते हैं कि चलो अब मैं आज जल्दी घर चला जाता हूँ, just because he was remembered his wife, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा याद कर रहे थे उनको. So now he suddenly moved towards Grand Central Station in New York, who was means I can say that station has only two levels. The president of the New York Grand Central Station and New York has decided that सबको पता था कि इसके दो ही लेवल है. We can say that दो लेवल means दो स्टेशन, जैसे in our Ahmedabad the Kalapur railway station has 12 levels. The biggest railway station we can see, or we can say that in our state, हमारे state में हम कह सकते हैं कि सबसे बड़ा station है. So here also we are having the most important station where we can see whole incident, जहाँ पे पूरा incident cover up किया गया है. The Grand Central and which was having two levels, जहाँ पे दो levels थे. So here Charlie ran to the station to reach to home early. काफी जल्दी उनको जाना था, just because he wants to meet his wife. वो अपनी wife से मिलना चाहते थे, उनके साथ रहना चाहते थे, and that's why he just in a hurry reached to the Grand Central Station, and which was the biggest station of the New York. वहाँ का बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा स्टेशन, हम कह सकते हैं कि सबसे बड़ा स्टेशन. डे बाय डे हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस, एवरी टाइम सम चेंजेस विल बी देयर, चेंजेस होते रहते थे वहाँ पे. सो ही वाज नोटिस्ड मैनी ऑफ द पीपल ओवर दैट. ही वेंट टू द फर्स्ट लेवल. जब वो पहले लेवल पे जाते हैं, वेयर ही नोटिस्ड दैट ही हैज मिस्ड हिज ट्रेन. तब उन्हें पता चलता है कि उनकी ट्रेन तो मिस हो गई है. Means he was late. He was little bit late to come over there near the level number 1 when he missed his train. Now that's why from the level number 1 he has not got any train, and that's why he moved to the level number 2. वो कौन से लेवल पे जाते हैं? नंबर 2 पे, जो दूसरा स्टेशन मीन्स दूसरा लेवल था वहाँ पे. There also he got the news that the train moved from here, just before some of the moments, कुछ टाइम पहले की ट्रेन चली गई थी. That means level number 1 he missed the train, level number 2 he also missed the train, but now when he looked sad, just because 2 of the train he left, 2 of the train he missed, and that's why he has not got any train. But he came back from that level, अब वो level से वापस जा रहा था ऊपर. At that time he has seen one of the new way. उन्हें एक नया रास्ता दिखता है. And at that way he just thought that before I came this station, जब मैं पहले भी यहाँ आया था, but I have not seen this way on these central station. मैंने ये रास्ता तो कभी पहले देखा ही नहीं. So he has moved to this way. वो वहाँ पे जाते हैं. And he has seen that even the Grand Central Station has third level too. He noticed that where all the people and all the nation knew that only 2 levels were there. सब जानते थे कि वहाँ पे तो 2 ही level थे. Then how author could find the third level? उनको third level मिला कहाँ से? I don't know, but the author didn't know this thing. Just because here we are having more serious story, I can say that the third level is a little bit complex story. ये काफी complex है. And turns and twists are there. काफी सारे turns and twists यहाँ पे देखने को मिलते हैं. We cannot understand the story jumps from where and when it land. कहाँ story start होती है, कहाँ story end होती है. We will not have any idea about it. But let us look at the story. I will try my best to explain this story in a simplest way. So till here you can get the concept clear that first level he has missed the train, second level he has missed the train, third level he just got this way first time as he visited this central station many times. But this is the first time he has got the third level where he can see that crowd was there. Many of the people moved here and there. They have got old clothes. Old I can say that कि जो पुराने ज़माने में पहनते थे वैसे कपड़े. They were having the attire of 1890s. हम ये कह सकते हैं 90s के ज़माने के कपड़े उन्होंने पहने हुए थे. Where one of the newspaper boy he has seen and he has bought one of the newspaper. उसने एक newspaper भी खरीदा वहाँ पे. And what he has noticed in that newspaper. Let us tell me the thing about that third level nicely. मैं आपको nicely explain करना चाहती हूँ. Actually, what he has seen on the third level. That the third level is all about 1890s era. The people have wore different kinds of attire. What the people had wore in 1890s era, and now he had seen one of the newspaper boy who sold one of the newspaper, and that was very famous in 1890s era. उस टाइम का काफी famous newspaper था, and that was The World. The name of the newspaper is The World. Where the author had bought that paper in which he had seen the issued date of the newspaper is 11 June 1894. उस न्यूज़पेपर में डेट उन्होंने जब देखी तब डेट क्या थी 11 जून 1894. So he has got confused that might be I have become or I have comes to the past. उन्हें ये फील होता है कि मैं तो पास्ट में आ गया हूँ 1890s के एरा में. So how can that happen to me? ये कैसा पॉसिबल है? So at that time, but he wants to move to one of the place, and that's why he had seen one of the place where he can ask for the train. As he wants to move to the Galsburg, उन्हें Galsburg जाना था, so he moved to the window where he can got the ticket. वहाँ से उन्हें टिकट मिल सकती थी. So he had asked for the ticket to the Galsburg, and he has when given the money to that person, so ticket when he tried to buy, that person was not accepting the money of Charles. चार्ली के जो पैसे थे, उन्होंने जो यूज किए थे, वो पैसे वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा था. So that person has claimed on Charlie that you are using the wrong currency and that's why I have called police. तुम तो गलत पैसे दे रहे हो, ऐसे कोई पैसे है ही नहीं, तुम मुझे मूर्ख बना रहे हो, मैं अभी पुलिस को बताता हूँ, मैं पुलिस को बुलाता हूँ. That's why Charlie just escaped from that third level. वो वहाँ से भागता है, just like a bullet train की तरह से वहाँ भागता है. So from third level he comes out to the second, to the first, and when he came back home, he has not still got answer why I got third level. Actually, all the people of the nation knowing that only 2 levels are there. खाली 2 लेवल वहाँ पे थे. Then how can I got the third level? मुझे कैसे मिला third level? So he directly went to his friend Sam, and who was psychiatrist, जो psychiatrist थे. So the whole incident he explained to the Sam. उसने Sam को ये पूरा जो incident उसके साथ हुआ वो explain किया. But the Sam said, might be it was illusion. He said, शायद तुम्हारी सोच हो सकती है. It was just like a daydream. शायद तुम सपना देख रहे होंगे, तुम शायद उसके बारे में कुछ सोच रहे होंगे, and suddenly it comes to your mind, and you thought that actually you were there. आप शायद सोच रहे होंगे कि आप शायद वहाँ रियल में पहुँच गए हो, but it was just an illusion. ये ऐसा हो सकता है just because Charlie has habit to collect stamps. Charlie के grandfather, those people are having a habit to collect stamp. जो हम post करते हैं कोई चीज लेकर उसके ऊपर स्टैम्प लगता है. That habit was having with Charlie. वो स्टैम्प कलेक्ट करता था. So वो स्टैम्प कई सारे सालों तक उसने कलेक्ट किए थे. So might be he was having the knowledge of past, and that's why he reached to the past. But now he moved back to the home, and after that he talked to Lucy about all the things. After that he has got the news that Sam was missing from last some of the days. उन्हें पता चल रहा है कि उनका फ्रेंड जो सैम है वो कहीं पे मिल ही नहीं रहा. And that time he was at home with Charlie, and he was just looking at the stamps that was collected by his grandfather. जो उसके grandfather ने collect किए होते stamps, वो देखता है. Normally he just look onto the stamp. In that stamp he has got one of the letter, जिसमें एक letter था, and that letter was about Sam, psychiatrist. वो letter में Sam के बारे में कुछ explain किया था. That Sam has reached Galsburg. उसमें लिखा था Sam Galsburg पहुंच गया है. And when he went to the bank, जब Charlie बैंक में जाता है वो पैसे कन्वर्ट करवाने के लिए, ये इंसिडेंट मैं आपको कहना भूल गई हूँ दैट चार्ली ने जब दूसरी बार वो स्टेशन ढूंढने की कोशिश की तब उसे थर्ड लेवल नहीं मिला था. ओनली फर्स्ट टाइम ही वेंट देयर. वो पहली बार वहाँ गए थे, सडनली ही वेंट टू द थर्ड लेवल. लेकिन जब उन्हें एक्चुअल में डेल्सबर्ग जाना था कि मुझे थर्ड लेवल से ही जाना है, तब जैसे कि टिकट कलेक्टर ने वो पैसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं किए थे. दैट्स व्हाई ही नेक्स्ट डे मूव्ड टू द बैंक विथ $300 जो प्रेजेंट करेंसी होगी, and he converted that currency into the past of 1890s. 1890s की करेंसी में उसने कन्वर्ट किया था. किसने? चार्ली ने. So Charlie has got only $200 at that time. 300 की जगह पे उसको ओल्ड करेंसी कितनी मिली? $200. But he has take that and finally he moved to the third level. But next time वो जब सेंट्रल स्टेशन नेक्स्ट डे जाते तब उन्हें थर्ड लेवल का कोई रास्ता नजर नहीं आता है. After that he went to the Sam and explained all the incident. But explained as he to the Sam, and Sam told that it is just because of illusion. आप सिर्फ ये सोच रहे थे. It is just like a daydream. After that he got the news that Sam was missing from some days, and that's why he just looked towards the stamp what was collected by the grandfather, and in that one of the letter he has seen, जैसे कि मैंने अभी बोला, उस लेटर में कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया था अबाउट सैम. So in that letter Sam has written that I reached to Galsburg and I am literally eagerly waiting for you and your wife. सैम ने खुद लिखा था कि भाई मैं आपका और आपकी वाइफ का इंतजार करूंगा, आप भी यहाँ पे विजिट करना. So how is it possible? स्टोरी कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है? And finally Sam reached and when he got the news, चार्ली को जब ये पता चला, Sam already went to Galsburg in 1980s era. So 1890s era, 90s के जमाने में वो कैसे पहुंच गया? Again he went to the bank. जब चार्ली दूसरी बार बैंक में जाता है तब उसको पता चलता है that कि Sam also has taken some old currency from the bank. Sam ने भी पहले से old currency ली हुई थी. And finally he reached the Galsburg. और वो डेट कौन सी थी? करेंसी उसने जो चेंज करवाई थी वो डेट 8 जून 1894 when he visited the bank and taken old currency. तब उसने old currency थी वो इस डेट पे चेंज करवाई थी. And finally Sam also moved to the past in 1890s era. So likewise still we didn't get the idea that whether the third level is there or not. थर्ड लेवल एक्चुअल में था कि नहीं? दिस कंफ्यूजन क्रिएटेड टू ऑल द रीडर्स. जिन्होंने भी ये थर्ड लेवल रीड किया होगा सब यही क्वेश्चन करें. बट स्टिल इवन ऑथर हैज नॉट हैविंग दिस आंसर. जैक फिनी भी ये आंसर नहीं दे सकते. यही तो है मोक सीरियस स्टोरी. इट इज टोटली कंफ्यूज्ड. सो दिस क्यूरियस स्टोरी हैज नॉट गिवन अस द करेक्ट आंसर just because it is related to psychology. In psychology you all know that topic. It is just science of the mind. ये science है किसका? Mind का. So now here the chapter ends with this confusion or question mark कि actual में third level था या नहीं. This is the story. But I will explain you soon about this story in the somehow in different pattern. I'll try my best. Till then you just see this video. तब तक आप ये वीडियो देखो. And this is the chapter third level. I hope I am trying my best to give you a simplest way to understand this chapter, the third level. Thank you.